Hey, do you struggle to get agent referrals? I've talked to thousands of loan officers across the country, and I find that it really comes down to 5 reasons why you don't get more agent referrals. And if you're not familiar with who I am, my name is Jeff Zimfer. I am the author of Disrupt or Die, How to Survive and Thrive the Digital Real Estate Shift, and host of the Housing Wire top-rated podcast, Mortgage Marketing Radio. Okay, so 5 reasons why you don't get more agent referrals. Let's unpack this right now. Number 1, very simple. You are talking to the wrong agents. Who are the wrong agents? You know who they are. Right? These are agents that don't have enough business, right? I mean, you know who they are, but you're still talking to them for whatever reason. Just because you have conversations doesn't mean you're going to get results. You got to talk to the right agents, the agents that have the business, right? So that's mistake number 1, is talking to the wrong agents. Mistake number 2 is you have a weak value proposition. There's no compelling reason to why I should consider using you, especially if they're happy with their existing lender. Why should I choose you? Above doing nothing, what's going to make me want to choose you? You've got to have a better value proposition. And by the way, it's not rates, it's not service, it's not we close in 6 minutes, right? You've got to help agents solve problems. So that's reason number 2, is a weak value proposition. Reason number 3 is, and this is the big one right here, is you are simply not having enough conversations. So this is a megaphone. You're not having enough conversations. You simply need to reach more people. Scale your reach. Whoever has the most conversations wins. So number 4 is they are loyal to their current lender. Actually, what I need to use for this is not yellow, but red. You know why? Because we have to draw a nice big heart, right? Because they're in love with their current lender and everybody's happy-go-lucky. And look at, that's fine and great. As a matter of fact, that's a great agent to put on your long-term prospect list, because if they're loyal to their current lender, hey, that means they're a quality agent. And also, by the way, that doesn't mean that you can't be number 2, right? I will take a backup position, a second opinion offer, anytime that I get the opportunity to do that with a quality agent. And so don't count those agents out. They are good agents, even if they're loyal to their good lender, because don't you want agents who would be loyal to you when you finally get them? Okay, so number 5, here's the 5th reason, is trust. Trust is not established yet. They don't know you, and you're trying to go from, right, first date to getting married. You need to spend more time building trust, engaging, have more time on brand with you. What does that mean? That means more time in front of them, whether it's through a conversation, whether it's through social media, through videos, through messages you send them, through ways that you show up and try and help them solve problems. These are the top 5 reasons why most originators don't get the amount of referrals they want. My question is for you, which one of these is the biggest issue for you? Is it you're talking to the wrong agents? Is it weak value proposition? Is it you're simply not talking to enough agents? They're already loyal to their current lender, or trust is not established. Go ahead and take a moment and run the scenario in your head and decide which of the, are the top 2 here for you. I can tell you this is what I find most often when I interview loan officers and I ask them this question is that the top reasons why, after surveying thousands of originators, why they don't get more agent referrals is number 1, right here. They're simply not talking to enough agents. Not enough agents you know you exist. That's number 1. And then depending on who you are, number 2 or 3 could be weak value proposition. That's a big one. And then of course, number 4 over here is trust is not established. But which is the one for you? And get to work on this. And if it's this one right here, by the way, and you want more help with reaching real estate agents, one of the best ways to do that is with a one-to-many approach. Scale your reach by hosting educational classes in person or online. And if you want help with how to do that, I've got a free custom GPT down below. Just check the description down below, and there's an agent class planner, custom GPT, that's in there that will help you actually plan and put on and promote a class. Everything from topics to putting slides together, to emails, to text messages, to scripts, what to say. It's all in that agent class planner. Check it out down below, totally for free. Hope you enjoy it. And if you like this episode, hey, you know what to do. Leave a comment, like, subscribe. See you on the next one.